So hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. In this vlog we are in Karnataka, but we are going to a place called Lepakshi, which is famous for its temple. I'll tell you the name. So right now we are going to Lepakshi. It's 6:53 in the morning. I woke up early. I woke up at 6 or 5:45. So I'll meet you half the way. Oh my god, guys, see the fog, and that is my mom running. Anyways, so unfortunately we don't have the time to go to Nandi Hills, but we have stopped for breakfast in Nandi Upachar. It's very famous according to my dad, and if you go right, this is the Nandi Hills. You need to go a bit up and you will find the Nandi Hills. So I had butter masala dosa. It was really great, and my mom had ordered dosa, and we are waiting. It's been over 20 minutes. They are not getting it because it's a very famous place, as I said. So there's a hell lot of rush. Finally. So we have finally finished the breakfast at Nandi Upachar. The food was really good. And it's literally 9 o'clock and see the fog. Still see the fog. A very cold place. So we are finally at the Lepakshi Vireshwar Temple, Veerabhadra Swami Temple, and there are a lot of monkeys. Let's hope these don't take my camera and think that this is a banana. is approximately 700 years old. This structure, this temple and everything, nothing has been revamped. So this is just like how it was 700 years ago. Well, this is some of the proofs that this temple is very old. As you can see, there are some video this things, and there are pretty much big rocks. And entirely, if you see this temple, it's as soon as you see it, you will get to know that this is very old. As per the priest here, they told it's 486 years old. So this is the hanging pillar, and let me show you if I can, and let me show you the down that it's not on the ground. So I don't know whether you can see or not, but you can see the other side. So ideally, it's not rested on the ground. And now we are going to see a big shivling. Wow. It's called Nagalinga. Basically, that's Shivlinga, and snake is surrounding that, which makes it Nagalinga. Naga basically means snake. Right now we have finished the darshan in that particular temple, and we are heading down, and there are few more places to visit. Basically a park, Jatayu park, and I'll tell you when we go. So for now, next we are going to the Jatayu park, and there are a few more temples, 2 or 3 more temples. So I think no more temples. I guess no more temples now. We are visiting a big statue of Nandi. After visiting the big statue of Nandi, we are going to visit Jatayu, the big statue of Jatayu. So right now we have finally arrived at the Jatayu theme park, and you guys won't believe this. Jatayu statue is so big. Well, I didn't see it. I saw when I came to this place. When I was coming to the place in the car, yeah, it's so damn big. Let me show you. Let's go back to history right now, and this is Ravana's foot. So they say that while fighting with Jatayu, you might know the Ramayana, yeah, and when Ravana is taking Sita, Jatayu comes and fights with him, but Ravana kills the Jatayu, and this is supposed to be the foot of Ravana. It's over here. Yes. So they have marked it up. So we are here at Nandagokula to have lunch, and this is just a few meters away from Nandi Upachar, which we had breakfast, where we had breakfast. So guys, basically this was the last video I had. Unfortunately, I had recorded videos where we reach home and all those stuff, but I don't know why it didn't get recorded or it got deleted. I'm not sure. But anyways, what we did was, after having food here, I had North Indian thali, and after having food here, we just went home. So sorry for that, that the videos got deleted. So this was what happened. Thanks for watching.